So this notebook contains 3 different parts that go into that correspond to 3 different lectures. The first one is the more kind of generic lecture on harmony, and then towards the bottom of the notebook, there are parts that correspond to 2 lectures on the one on geometry and the one on rock harmony. So I refer to these lectures for all the details of what you are going to see here. This is mostly a notebook to show in practice how algorithmically one can obtain all the structures that we talk about in the lectures. So harmony, we already saw at the beginning when discussing compositional tools that note, for instance, the object note has a method that is harmonize. And so harmony here in this context corresponds to the simultaneous playing of different pitches. And in this particular part here, in this particular cell, what we are doing, we harmonize a sequence of notes using the notes of the scale. So we are harmonizing within the scale. We could harmonize within the chromatic collection, but and some of these ideas are discussed in the lecture, but in this particular example, we are harmonizing on the particular scale, in this case, the C major scale, a C minor scale, sorry. And here is. So we talked about transposition also in the context of harmony. We talked about the transposition along the scale, the transposition along the chromatic collection, and the transposition along the chord. So this is an example of a transposition along the scale. And this is an example of a transposition along the chord. Again, refer to the lecture for the details on how this is actually done. So this is the result of such a transposition.